I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Well, workout's done. Hi face, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I went for a nice little ride this morning, and that felt absolutely amazing. Now it's the new school year has begun today. Today is January 3rd, 2023, and it's time to go pick up my kids to get them all ready for school. So here we go. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys kids will have a good return back to school, and y'all will stay safe and stay loved and stay blessed and stay motivated and stay encouraged and stay positive, and just kick off your year on a positive note, if anything. So love you guys, enjoy the rest of today's vlog, and let's go look for the kids, shall we? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's time to go to school. My baby, wake up. Tyler. You wake up and went for snack last night?
Yeah.
You were hungry?
Yeah.
Look at the biscuit in his bed. Come on. Let's go. Ty. 1, 2. Come on. Don't let me reach the living room before you. Let's go. You see? That's why it was nice to take the nap yesterday. What if you didn't take the nap yesterday?
But I'm still tired.
You're still tired? Well, guess what? You still have to go to school. So, let's go get some breakfast and you'll feel better. Okay? Let's go for baby number 2. Sarah. Good morning. It's time to go to school. Yeah. She said yay. You ready?
I can put me best.
Yes, you're gonna see Pisha and Maîtresse. Good morning.
Good morning.
Say good morning, face.
Good morning, please.
You okay? You ready to go to school?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's go have breakfast, okay? You want your milk?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go have milk. What you want for breakfast time? See, Mama going for your milk.
Can I take 2 things?
Sure, what you want?
2 happy biscuits.
Yeah, 2 sweet biscuits. Okay.
2 happy biscuits, not 2 sweet biscuits.
It is sweet.
Yes, but every biscuit is sweet.
No. Ready to go to school?
Yes.
Ready to go to school?
Yeah.
All dressed and ready to go? You're gonna be
Nice.
and be
Nice.
and be
Patient.
and be
Brave.
very good, and be
Patient.
and kind.
And kind.
Very good. And you
Be great.
and
Be nice.
and be
Patient.
and be
Brave.
very good. There we go. All right, coffee is later.
Later.
All right, let's go. As me know, me not see you again until next 4 years. Here are. Move! You guys, look who is in the house. Say hello. Look who is in the house.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, everything, happy birthday, all of it. We're playing it.
Every day they ask for you, though. Every day. Where's
That's
Jen?
I'm still here, but this game is going to send me mad. What next?
Y'all know that Tyler just take her over whenever
I'll
she's
show it to
here.
you.
What is such a beautiful?
Exactly. You can be mean.
And I can make it beautiful.
That's mean. That's not nice, huh, Sarah?
She have to keep up with Tyler and his antics.
Okay.
Okay. Good. Good.
Here.
That's right, baby. Right there. Alright, Ty, come on.
How we got?
You're pushing me off. You're not being nice. You're not being nice.
I'm pushing you on. Oh no.
Oh no, I agree. Oh no. Oh
Catch. Bigger.
no. Uh-oh.
Yeah, you had any Christmas cake this Christmas?
Did you give me any Christmas cake this Christmas?
I'm not laughing. I'm
So?
not. You didn't eat any at all,
Do you want
Jen?
me to go to the shop and buy Christmas cake?
Oh my gosh, Jen.
Oh dear, I didn't get no Christmas cake.
I still have fruits in the fridge. I can bake for you. You want cake for it?
Yes, you would make Christmas cake for me.
I have fruits.
You have everything.
I have everything.
Really? When are you gonna make it? But I'm leaving tomorrow night.
Lord have
But
mercy,
I'm coming
Jen.
back.
Woo!
I'm back
When are you coming back?
Tuesday.
And then when you leave again?
The 25th.
Oh my God,
Have
you're
to
a
go see
mess. You are a
Look
mess.
at that.
Okay, I'll hear what? I'll bake. So you can get it and bring one for Natania.
Oh wow.
How about that?
Give me 5 again.
I'll bake so you can get and bring one for
Wow.
Natania. Natania will like one.
That would be nice. Well, we'll share the same one. Okay, it's my turn.
Here are, but we'll share the same one. Yeah, run from the fat. Woo! Hey, I bake 8 and I ate about 4 by myself.
So you did bake?
Of course I baked.
Oh my God.
I baked 8 cakes and I ate them all. I gave one
How
to.
come you don't put on no weight?
What do you mean? I have a belly that I need to lose
don't have
before
no
my
belly.
next vacation.
Alright, what am I doing, Tyler? Where was I? No, I'm him.
Alright, I'm gonna look on my calendar and bake for you. By the time you come back from London, I'll give you cake.
Okay.
Thank you, darling.
Oh, you say you come back when? Next week?
Tuesday, yeah.
Next Tuesday?
And then I'm there until the 26th, so you got plenty of time. Alright, what am I doing? I'm trying to get to who? Trying to get to him.
Oh my gosh, she's coming back on Tuesday. Alright, let me see my calendar.
That don't do.
Let me look on my calendar.
On the calendar.
She coming back
On your
on
calendar.
Tuesday.
How do you say calendar in French?
Calendrier.
Très bien. Speak in French. I'll leave you alone for a couple months and I'll come. Are you speaking French?
Yes, my love. She coming back on Tuesday, and in 1 week she gone again. Boy, may I tell you about her, you know.
I can't move.
I tell you about this woman that she take plane like.
Oh, but see what happens when they have family all over the world. Thank God you only live in February. Tyler, what am I going to do?
Okay, so I will bake.
No.
I know. No, I don't know.
I see. I can bake one set
You know
of
you
cake.
don't know. At least I know.
Alright, I'm going to bake this weekend or next weekend, one of the two. So I have 2 weekends. This weekend or next weekend I'll bake.
Okay. Next weekend. This weekend.
Ty, just give her one. Just one.
Have one. Baby.
Ty, just one.
Of Auntie Jenna, you
Sarah, put your hands down. Hands down.
Hands down.
She love cross her hand when she mad.
Oh, is that what she does?
Yeah. Yes, like an old woman.
That's what she's doing. What am I doing?
You were trying
When
to
she mad, that's what she does.
So take one, but I already have one. What happened to the one I had?
Alright, you guys, so if you guys are new to my channel, if you guys are new to our channel and don't know who Jen is my friend. She's Jamaican, British, American. And Jen is the godmother of Sarah, but have a very special bond with Tyler. Jen has been in our life since we moved to Nice, since Tyler was 1 year old. It's like Tyler's second mom. So she came for Tyler, and she and Tyler had a date out. They went out, they went shopping, they went McDonald's for lunch. She bring Tyler into town, and I stayed home with Sarah. Yeah, so that's why you see Jen was here, because she said she missed Ty. So she got to spend some one-on-one time with Tyler. But Jen travels a lot, so we don't get to see Jen a lot. Come. Oh, my big baby. How was your day out with Auntie Jen?
Good.
What did you and Auntie Jen do?
First, we went to Micromania.
Micromania is a toy game store.
We asked if there was a Naruto Nintendo game.
Okay.
And they say no, there was only at the Micromania of Regis that had it.
And what else you and Auntie Jen did?
We went to McDonald's.
And you went shopping for Sarah.
Andre and
They bring back gift for Sarah.
and for it was like the things I get, the book and the Nintendo game we buy it at Fnac.
Okay, and they went
Because
shopping
it was
for Tyler.
more cheaper than at Micromania.
Okay. Anyway, you guys, so you had a good day, right?
Yes.
Alright. Tell face bye-bye. Jesus,
Bye-bye.
you're getting too big for me to lift you up.
In same time, the Nintendo game I take, it was Occasion.
What is occasion?
Occasion is a bit like sold for Nintendo games, like
Oh, it was on a sale?
yes, it was less
Okay, that's
cheaper
fine.
because normally it's like 50 euro, something like that, and it's only 35 euro.
That's what you pay for it?
Yes.
Hola. Okay, alright. Tell Auntie Jen big thank you?
Yes.
Okay, alright. Tell face bye-bye.
When will be the next time I was here? Bye bye.
When will be the next time you see her?
Yes.
Probably next week, because Mama gonna bake for her before she go to USA. But she's gone to London right now.
Yes.
So you'll see her again
She
before
told
she
me
leaves.
because she had buy 300 euro.
She buy 300 euro what?
Yes.
Oh, she went for British money.
Yes. 300 euro.
Alright. Go to bed. Papa come in. See you in the morning. I don't want to kiss you on your lips because you're still not feeling well and Mama's still not well. Did you guys see baby in this vlog? I'm not sure. I'm ending the vlog with Jen. I don't even know, but anyway.
Peace. Well, I'm supporting cast.
You're supporting guests.
Yeah.
You're supporting cast.
Cast. Same thing,
yeah.
no?
You're
Is it-
supporting actor.
Yeah, the sound. The supporting
You're
cast
not
who
the
are
main
just.
actor.
Oh no.
Okay.
You are the main one. Everybody's there just to see.
Not at all. Not a thing that goes. Everybody's
Just to
here to see all
see
4 of us.
Just to see you.
Anyway, you guys, I am ending the vlog. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. This vlog was short and spicy, but you know I'm gonna give you whatever I have. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It was super good to see
Thumbs
Jen.
up.
Babe didn't see Jen because he was at work. So comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam. Bam, catch her and keep up, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow. Uses we're out.
Tomorrow.